Welcome back, riders, highway cruisers, and V-twin enthusiasts. If you are planning to hit the open pavement, embark on an epic cross-country tour, or simply want to elevate your daily commute this year, you have come to the right place. In 2026, the cruiser motorcycle market is seeing more powerful engines, refined electronic rider aids, and a heavier emphasis on long-haul performance. To truly lay that power down and maintain absolute safety on the highway, your choice of rubber is the single most critical factor. Gone are the days when buying a cruiser tire meant compromising between high mileage and reliable wet weather grip. Modern compounding technology has completely changed the game. Amazon and specialized motorcycle retailers are currently packed with advanced, dual compound tires engineered specifically to handle the immense weight and torque of heavy metric cruisers and traditional V-twin machines. We have analyzed real-world tread life, reviewed technical laboratory feedback, and checked real rider comparisons to curate the ultimate ranking. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best cruiser motorcycle tires you can buy in 2026, starting at number 5 and going down to the absolute number 1 benchmark. So, check your tire pressures, get comfortable, and let us dive straight into the countdown. Number 5. The Shinko 777 Cruiser Tires. Starting our countdown at number 5 is a tire line that has captured an enormous share of the cruiser market by delivering an unbeatable combination of budget-friendly pricing and immediate asphalt traction, the Shinko 777 Cruiser Tires. For many riders, upgrading heavy V-twin rubber can feel like a massive financial burden, leading to extended wear on unsafe, old tires. Shinko effectively shatters this barrier by providing a high-performance, bias-ply construction that delivers excellent value without sacrificing essential safety. What truly sets the 777 series apart is its specialized, stickier rubber formulation designed explicitly for cruisers, which provides immediate confidence during deep cornering or rapid highway acceleration. While it may not hit the massive 20,000-mile target of some high-end touring options, it counters by offering superior initial grip and a remarkably compliant, supple ride quality that effortlessly smooths out harsh road imperfections and highway expansion joints. The tread pattern is specifically optimized to evacuate water efficiently, keeping you stable through unexpected summer rain showers. Additionally, Shinko offers this tire in an extensive range of sizes, including stunning wide white wall variants that add a gorgeous, timeless retro aesthetic to custom builds and vintage cruisers. For the daily commuter or weekend warrior looking for top-tier grip and reliable performance at an accessible price point, the Shinko 777 stands tall as a fantastic entry-level champion. Number 4. The Dunlop American Elite. Coming in at number 4 is a tire built proudly in the USA and trusted by thousands of touring enthusiasts across the globe, the Dunlop American Elite. As the preferred original equipment manufacturer fitment for a vast portion of factory touring platforms, Dunlop understands exactly how to engineer rubber that complements the unique handling dynamics of heavy cruiser chassis. The American Elite stands out brilliantly in 2026 due to its innovative multi-tread technology, which places a highly resilient, long-wearing compound directly down the center of the tire for extended straight-line highway durability. This hard center strip is seamlessly paired with softer, high-grip lateral compounds on the shoulders, giving you sport-inspired confidence and a highly predictable feel when leaning into aggressive mountain switchbacks. This compound transition ensures your tire wears evenly over its lifespan, resisting the frustrating squaring off effect that plagues standard single compound variants after long hours on the interstate. The tread design features deep, angular grooves that bite efficiently into rain-slicked asphalt, offering consistent traction and shorter stopping distances during wet weather emergencies. Available in a wide variety of alphanumeric and metric sizes, including classic white wall options, it serves as the ultimate replacement choice for any rider seeking to maintain or upgrade their machine's factory-intended handling profile with a proven, ultra-reliable American classic. Number 3. The Metzeler Cruise Tech. Securing the number 3 spot on our list is a tire explicitly engineered for a new generation of performance-minded V-twin enthusiasts, the Metzeler Cruise Tech. Traditional cruiser tires are frequently designed with a flat, squared profile that prioritizes straight-line stability over cornering agility, which can leave a bike feeling heavy or sluggish in tight turns. Metzeler has completely turned this concept upside down by infusing their legendary sport touring tire technology directly into a heavy-duty radial and bias-belted cruiser package. The Cruise Tech features a unique, curved machine profile that significantly enhances your motorcycle's agility, enabling effortless lean transitions and a neutral, highly stable feeling right through the apex of a turn. The tire, utilizing a dual compound layout on the rear layout, packs a high concentration of premium silica, allowing it to heat up to optimal operating temperatures incredibly fast, even during chilly morning rides or sudden torrential downpours. This high silica compound ensures remarkable mechanical grip on wet surfaces, providing excellent traction and peace of mind when crossing slippery metal bridge grates or damp asphalt seams. If you ride a modern performance cruiser, power cruiser, or customized custom machine and refuse to settle for dull, unresponsive handling, the Metzeler Cruise Tech breathes entirely new, athletic life into your daily riding experience. Number 2. The Metzeler Me 888 Marathon Ultra. Taking our runner-up spot at number 2 is a legendary long-distance icon that has earned immense respect across countless owner forums. The Metzeler Me 888 Marathon Ultra. When your primary objective is loading up heavy saddlebags, hitting the cross-country interstates, and clocking thousands of miles with absolute peace of mind, the 888 is a magnificent weapon of choice. Metzeler's engineers hyper-focused on structural durability when building this tire, utilizing a highly advanced polymer compound that resists abrasive wear to deliver exceptional mileage returns that frequently push past the 15,000-mile mark. The casing structure features a wide, flat footprint that distributes the immense weight of large baggers and passengers evenly, minimizing localized friction and eliminating uneven cupping across the tread face. Beyond its immense longevity, the Me 888 is highly celebrated for its spectacular wet road confidence. The specialized groove layout incorporates deep longitudinal channels and lateral sipes that slice through standing water with absolute precision, keeping you safely planted in your lane during severe highway storms. It handles the continuous torque of massive V-twin motors effortlessly without flexing or squirming under hard acceleration. For any serious touring rider demanding bulletproof reliability, massive weight capacities, and exceptional mileage, this tire represents the pinnacle of long-distance cruising efficiency. Number 1. The Michelin Commander 3 Cruiser. Finally, claiming the highly coveted number 1 spot as the absolute ultimate cruiser motorcycle tire of 2026 is the incredible Michelin Commander 3 Cruiser. When it comes to delivering a tire that masterfully masters every single category, mind-boggling tread longevity, class-leading wet weather grip, and exceptional stability, the Commander 3 stands completely unrivaled at the top of the mountain. Michelin has implemented its premium 2CT Plus dual compound technology, seamlessly pairing a hard center compound for unmatched highway durability with softer shoulder rubbers that provide maximum mechanical adhesion when you are leaned over. In independent wet weather comparison tests, the Commander 3 consistently sets the record for the shortest wet braking distances and the highest maximum lean angles on damp surfaces, thanks to its high-density silica formulation and patented groove geometries. The tire sidewalls feature a highly distinct, premium velvet touch finish that adds an incredibly sleek, high-end look to your wheels. Whether you choose the dedicated cruiser variant for agile custom bikes or the touring version tailored specifically for immense baggers, you are securing a tire that tracks perfectly straight, completely ignores grooved pavement, and lasts for an astonishing number of seasons. The Michelin Commander 3 is the undisputed king of cruiser rubber, delivering uncompromised confidence for every single mile of your journey. There you have it, everyone, the top 5 best cruiser motorcycle tires ruling the asphalt right now. Investing in a top-tier set of tires is the single most important safety and performance upgrade you can make for your motorcycle, ensuring your heavy cruiser handles predictably under any weather condition. We have placed direct, updated links to all 5 of these spectacular cruiser tires in the description box down below, so make sure to check them out to find the exact size and specifications required for your specific motorcycle model. If you found this ultimate motorcycle gear countdown helpful, please slam that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our deep dive motorcycle tire tests, gear reviews, and maintenance guides. Now, we want to hear from your side of the screen. What tires are you currently running on your rig, and how many miles are you getting out of them? Drop your thoughts, your bike model, or any fitment questions in the comments section below. We love chatting with fellow riders. Thank you so much for watching. Keep the shiny side up, ride safe out there, and we will see you in the very next video.